The world of artificial intelligence continues to evolve at lightning speed, and June 2025 has already brought some groundbreaking updates that could reshape how governments and individuals use AI in daily life. This month, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration announced the launch of a new AI assistant called Elsa. This tool is designed to help FDA employees work more efficiently by streamlining scientific reviews and internal investigations. Elsa represents a major step in integrating AI into government agencies, aiming to improve the quality and speed of their decision-making processes. Meanwhile, the AI research company Anthropic has introduced a special version of its Claude language model called Claude Gov, built specifically for use in U.S. government agencies, including the defense and intelligence sectors. Unlike standard models, Claude Gov is optimized for handling sensitive data and providing high-level analysis in secure environments. This marks a shift toward more specialized AI systems tailored to high-stakes public sector work. Another exciting release comes from Perplexity Labs, which just unveiled a new AI tool that acts like a smart coworker. This assistant can respond to complex instructions from users and produce real outputs, such as writing reports, answering emails, or summarizing long documents. It is designed to improve productivity and reduce repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more strategic thinking. And from a team of former Google engineers comes Huxe, a new AI-powered voice assistant that delivers personalized daily briefings based on your emails, calendar, and preferences. It's like having a virtual executive assistant that talks to you instead of making you stare at your screen for hours. Huxe is part of a growing trend toward minimizing screen time and increasing audio-based AI experiences. These four innovations show how AI is no longer just a tool for developers or researchers, but is quickly becoming a part of how we work, live, and make decisions every day. Whether it's helping a doctor analyze data, a government agency process security reports, or a professional get through a busy day, AI is evolving into something far more integrated and personal. The question is not whether AI will be part of our future, but how we choose to shape and guide it as it becomes part of our present.